Why do 75% of home decor enthusiasts choose Govee's Neon Rope Light 2 for their lighting needs? Let's dive in. Imagine your room your way. With Govee's Smart Neon Rope Light 2, creativity knows no bounds. Featuring an upgraded, softer material, this neon rope light is super flexible and easy to shape, perfect for any decorating project. And hey, it's not just about looks. Govee packs improved RGBIC lighting effects. 64 presets that bring vibrant, dynamic colors to your space. Smooth transitions, stunning illumination. Your room will be the talk of the town. Feeling artsy? Use the Govee Home app's shape mapping to customize the lighting segments like never before. Turn a simple idea into a multicolored reality. And with seamless Matter compatibility, controlling your lights is as easy as saying, "Alexa, turn on living room lights." But wait, there's more. Dive into the future with Govee's AI lighting bot. This tech marvel uses advanced algorithms to create stunning lighting effects from text, voice, and images. It's like magic, but real. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy evening, spicing up your gaming setup, or decking out for a holiday, Govee's Neon Rope Light 2 is your ultimate lighting companion. Affordable, innovative, and oh so easy to use.
Hey Siri, turn off all the lights.
Govee, making life smarter.
Ready to light up your life? Click the link below to get your Govee Smart Neon Rope Light 2 now. Go on, make your space as unique as you are. Govee, because lights can be fun.
Govee, making life smarter.